Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on Poco X5. To do this you will need to open the Google Play Store. Inside look for Firefox, select it and click on install. When it's ready, open the app. And from here we can customize it, so pick a different theme, choose your toolbar placement, sign in to turn on synchronization, and switch between privacy protection settings. You can also read the privacy notice, and finally let's click on start browsing. From here open any website, and as you can see it works fine. And that's it for this video, hope you like it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.